Overview of the IELTS Speaking Section. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of IELTS, specifically focusing on the speaking section. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect and how you can start preparing effectively. The IELTS speaking test is designed to assess your ability to communicate effectively in English. You'll face a series of tasks, each aiming to gauge how well you can speak and express yourself in various situations. The speaking test is divided into 3 parts. 1. Part 1, Introduction and Interview. 2. Here, you'll answer questions about yourself, your family, your interests, and your studies. This part usually lasts between 4 to 5 minutes. 3. Part 2, Long Turn. 4. You'll be given a task card with a topic and a set of prompts. You'll have 1 minute to prepare your answer, and then you'll need to speak for 1 to 2 minutes without interruption. 5. Part 3, Discussion. 6. This is an extension of Part 2 where you'll discuss more abstract ideas and issues related to the topic you were given. It typically lasts 4 to 5 minutes. Your performance in the speaking test will be assessed on 4 criteria. 1. Fluency and coherence. How smoothly you speak and how your ideas are connected. 2. Lexical resource. Your vocabulary range and accuracy. 3. Grammatical range and accuracy. Your use of grammar and whether it's appropriate for the question being asked. 4. Pronunciation. How clear and understandable your English pronunciation is. Remember, each of these criteria counts for 25% of your total score, so it's essential to be well-rounded in your preparation. 1. Practice, practice, practice. The more you familiarize yourself with speaking English, the better. 2. Stay calm. It's natural to be nervous, but remember that the examiners are there to assess your language, not you as a person. 3. Listen carefully. Always make sure you understand the question before you answer. 4. Expand your answers. Instead of just answering yes or no, provide more details or examples to showcase your language skills. And that wraps up our overview of the IELTS speaking section. We hope this breakdown provides clarity and confidence as you prepare for the test. Remember, every conversation you have in English is a step closer to acing the speaking section. Good luck, and happy learning!